Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is February 3rd, 2018, and I'm at home here at my shop and working on another motor. This one here is a 1988 15 horse Johnson. I purchased this motor this morning at 10 a.m. It had a bad power head. It had a blown power head. Here's actually the power head. That's the wrist pin. No piston left, and where the rod came through. So, anyway, this one here kind of had fits with it. So I had a power head, so I replaced the power head. Then I was getting water in the cylinders, so replaced the head gasket. Still getting water in the cylinders. Had to pull the power head back off, replace the exhaust cover gaskets, and put it back in the tank, took care of the water leak, and it was still only running on one cylinder. So I pulled the power head again, pulled the intake manifold off, and found a bolt stuck in the reeds. So got that all taken care of. Gave it a tune-up along the way, replaced the shift rod seal, replaced the water pump impeller, put a carburetor kit in it, put all new fuel hoses in it, new spark plugs, and we're giving it a try. So we'll give you a little show on this one. So it's got brand new water pump in it. It's fully good. Unfortunately, I did not do that. The lid was cracked when I got it. So I have to find a new lid for it. And this. And of course, it also got new gear oil. That was down. Wow. Okay, that'll be for this one. We'll be watching. All right.